Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do I install Hangouts? Now that you've set up classic Hangouts for your computer, download the Android or iOS app for your mobile devices so you can chat on the go. Learn more. Open a Chrome browser on your Chrome OS or Windows computer. Go to the classic Hangouts app. Click Plus Free. Click Add. Follow the on-screen instructions. How do I set up Hangouts on my phone? Start a conversation. On your Android phone or tablet, open the Hangouts app. At the bottom right, tap Add New Conversation. Type and select a person's name. Enter your message. You can also add emojis, photos, or a sticker. Tap Send. What kind of app is Hangouts? Communications app. To set your video chat desires, your Android phone comes with an app called Hangouts. It's a communications app, designed by Google to let you connect with one or more of your friends for text and video chat. The Hangouts app might also serve as your phone's text messaging app. Why do people use Hangouts? Google Hangouts makes it easy to connect with people via talk, text, or video, and the app allows you to create groups that can be connected again and again. It also stores your past chats so you can pick up the text conversation anytime and can refer back to past messages as convenient.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.